A memorial unveiled near the White House today is not a typical Washington monument. It focuses on victims of opioid abuse nationwide. Cronkite News reporter Ariana Bustos shows us how the opioid crisis has fueled this new effort for awareness.
From far away, this wall doesn't look like much. But if you look closer, there are faces etched in individual pills, 22,000 of them.
This memorial is a tangible representation of the 22,000 lives that were lost just in 2015 to prescription, painkillers, and prescribed fentanyl.
In their 2018 Prescription Nation report on the opioid epidemic released last week, the National Safety Council said Arizona is just one of 13 states where efforts to address the opioid crisis are improving, and one of 7 states that moved up its marks from failing just last year.
Arizona is actually doing a fantastic job in many of the areas. They should be really proud of their progress.
The report ranked the states based on 6 key actions for ending the opioid crisis: prescription education and guidelines, prescription drug monitoring programs, data sharing, and treating overdose and opioid addiction. Arizona met all actions but treating overdoses. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar said efforts to solve the opioid epidemic have to come from everybody.
State and local governments, law enforcement, faith-based, community groups, educators, families, healthcare providers, and more all have key roles to play.
And Hersman put particular focus on the state's job to fight the opioid crisis.
In many ways, the things that they do have the greatest impact on their communities, on their cities, and on their citizens.
Reporting from Washington, Ariana Bustos, Cronkite News.